Every gardener deserves to experience the pure bliss of watching plants thrive, but challenging soil conditions can quickly turn that dream into frustration. Whether you're battling salty coastal conditions, wrestling with stubborn alkaline earth, or watching water disappear through sandy soil faster than you can apply it, these common problems have elegant solutions that will transform your garden into the botanical paradise you've always envisioned. Salt-damaged soil reveals itself through crusty white deposits, stunted plant growth, and leaves that appear burned around the edges despite adequate watering. This occurs because excess sodium creates a hostile environment where plants cannot properly absorb water and nutrients, leaving them perpetually stressed. The most gentle yet effective remedy involves gypsum, a natural mineral that works harmoniously with your soil's chemistry. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, gypsum gradually replaces harmful sodium with beneficial calcium, creating conditions where plants can flourish again. Apply 2 to 3 pounds per 100 square feet, working it gently into the top layer of soil during early spring or fall when plants are less active. Improving drainage becomes essential for long-term salt management. When water cannot move freely through soil, salts concentrate and build up around plant roots. Create natural drainage by incorporating coarse organic matter like aged compost and leaf mold, which not only improves water movement but also feeds beneficial soil organisms that support plant health. While your soil heals, it's a great idea to embrace salt-tolerant plants that bring beauty without struggle. Lavender, rosemary, and ornamental grasses like fountain grass create stunning displays while actually preferring the conditions that challenge other plants. Alkaline soil with its pH above 7.0 locks away essential nutrients that plants desperately need, resulting in yellowing foliage and poor flowering despite your best care efforts. The key lies in working with nature's own pH balancing mechanisms rather than fighting against them. Organic matter becomes your most powerful ally in this gentle transformation. Rich compost, aged manure, and decomposed leaves gradually lower pH while creating a thriving ecosystem of beneficial microorganisms. For plants requiring more immediate pH adjustment, elemental sulfur provides a natural solution. Soil bacteria slowly convert sulfur into mild acids that neutralize alkaline conditions over several months. Sandy soil challenges gardeners with its rapid drainage and poor nutrient retention, but this same quality offers advantages like excellent root penetration and early spring warming. The secret lies in transforming its weaknesses into strengths through strategic organic enrichment. Generous organic matter additions become absolutely crucial for sandy soil success. Unlike other soil types that respond to modest amendments, sandy soil requires substantial organic input to create the sponge-like quality that holds both water and nutrients. Soil transformation requires patience and consistent care, much like nurturing any living relationship. Regular soil testing guides your efforts while tracking progress that might otherwise go unnoticed. Remember that healthy soil creates a foundation for botanical bliss that extends far beyond individual plants. Well-amended soil supports beneficial insects, improves water conservation, and creates resilient gardens that adapt to changing conditions with grace. Your journey toward perfect soil begins with understanding what lies beneath your plant's roots. By addressing these common challenges with gentle, natural methods, you're creating the foundation for a garden that brings lasting joy and botanical bliss. Ready to transform your garden into a thriving botanical paradise? Subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more natural gardening wisdom and share this guide with fellow plant lovers who are ready to create their own soil success stories.